see the laptop.
What's the laptop for?
You can ask the police officer. Okay, let's go.
What is the laptop for?
What's the laptop for? So when you call 911, it shows me on the computer that you need help and that I can go help you.
It's not on.
Here, wow. Yeah, you can have him dance of this.
And he's shitty. You can take some of that with you.
What is that?
What is that mask for?
Yeah, so we wore that mask so that when we go into a fire and stuff like that, we can breathe oxygen because there's a lot of smoke and everything like that. So we're gonna have that on, and if we have to go into a fire.
Yes, and also why there is mask. Yes.
Yep, so that's so if something doesn't fall on our head and stuff like that, injure us.
And also when they fall,
Yeah.
they had bump and then they will fall.
Exactly.
It's a protector.
It protects our heads, yes. Fire engines go faster than 35 miles an hour, but this one might. Does it have a plaque that says 35 miles an hour on this?
Yeah, I was following these guys because I literally had to
I think it is 90.
Oh yeah. So the fastest we'll ever travel in this would be probably about 60 miles an hour, and that'd be on the freeway and stuff like that. So, yeah.
Yes, my dad drives 60 miles an hour in the highway.
Does he? Yeah.
Oh, it looks like an old Toyota.
It look like.
It looks like an old car. The steering wheel. This here looks old.
Did you get a sticker already?
Yeah, we have a lot of stickers.
Oh,
The entrance through here. Here's the big bag.
Yeah, you cash and get it all.
Yeah. How you doing, bud? You surviving? It's hot out, huh?
How do you feel, Leo? Do you like fire truck?
Yes, not so.
Yeah. Nice.
There's a high.
Okay. Hello. How are you doing? Do you have any question for him?
The seats are hot.
Yeah, they're in the sun.
The steering wheel is so big, like a Ford van.
Yeah.
It's a Ford van.
Yeah, and this here is for our computer.
Where we put our computer.
Yep, usually we have a computer when we're driving.
Oh, awesome.
What's this?
That's just the radio.
It's
Awesome.
And then down here we got our other radio system, how we communicate. On
It's
the
from
road.
Motorola.
Yeah.
And also, what are these buttons?
So these control the lights that are on top. There's lights that are on top. So if we need to stop in the middle of the road at night, people can see us.
And also,
Yeah, he's scared of the loud, yeah, the noise, yeah. Leo, say hello, Leo. It's okay.
you can pet him. You can pet him. Not real.
You can pet him, yeah. Go ahead, Leo. You can pet him, yeah.
Oh, he doesn't have any sound.
No, he doesn't.